Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. So I've got a roofing salesperson who has circled hail damage on this roof, but it's not hail, it's just small blemishes or small voids where the granules were. Some of these, I'm not even sure what he's circling. And I'm like, come on, man. You know that that's not hail. I mean, I could just as easily circle that, or this, or this. So you circle a bunch of stuff on a roof. You go tell the customer they need a new roof because there's hail all over the roof. Then you get the customer worked up, all for nothing. Let's say you strong arm an adjuster to cave and say that this is hail. Well, then a customer incurs a deductible, and if it's a wind hail deductible, it could be substantial. These shingles end up in the landfill, all unnecessary. Eventually this roof is going to wear out, and the customer is going to have to replace it. That is expected. And I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of hateful comments, but I don't care. This isn't hail. The closest spot that even looks like hail is this one, and it's not hail. There's no bruised matting. You can see the fiber through these spots here. Until we get a machine that can scan the roof and scientifically tell if a roof has been compromised from hail, we're always going to have these battles. So anyway, if you're an adjuster or a contractor, you need to be an expert at your craft. You need to shoot ice balls at shingles. You need to go to a place where they test these shingles and see what hail does. Go work a really good hailstorm, and then you'll see what hail does to shingles. These little spots here is not hail, but that fight goes on across America every single day. Anyway, guys, I hope that video helps. I'm sure it will generate a lot of hateful comments, but I will see you in the next video.